Dear people and culture professionals, let's delve deeper into the transformative powers of 365 Talents in reshaping how you manage skills and talent across your organization. Unified and diverse skill expression. 365 Talents serves as a unifying platform, ensuring a consistent language for skills while accommodating the diverse expressions of skill development across various roles and industries. Our platform is capable to handle 45 different languages and recognizes the nuanced nature of skill evolution among different professions. Customized skills framework. Developing and maintaining a centralized skills framework tailored to your company's unique needs is no easy feat. 365 Talents offers comprehensive support, right from the initial implementation phase to continuous maintenance. Our collaborative approach results in a meticulously crafted skills framework, tailor-made to your organization's goals and aspirations. The power of skills trends. Because 365 Talents uncover all hidden skills of your organization, as a people and culture professional, you can now have access to skills trends. It's now super easy for you to see the skills in decline or skills in high demand so you can adjust your actions and help your managers. Gaining a holistic understanding of your company's skills landscape is indispensable. Our analytics tools empower people and culture professionals to identify skills statistics, monitor their evolution, and assess their distribution across departments, geographies, and job types. This invaluable insight drives your people and culture strategies, performance assessments, learning programs, and internal mobility initiatives. Bridging your skills gaps. 365 Talents seamlessly aligns your organizational strategies with skill requirements. The page skills gaps help you with actionable insights so you can strategize effectively to bridge skill gaps, ensuring optimal alignment with your organizational goals. Effortless talent identification. In today's dynamic landscape, swiftly identifying the most suitable talent is crucial for HR professionals. 365 Talents simplifies this process by enabling easy access to profiles that match open positions based on skill data. By leveraging advanced filters, HR teams can pinpoint specific talents, fostering internal mobility, succession planning, and importantly, diminishing biases in talent selection. With its integration with your ATS, you can staff open positions very quickly with coworkers within the organization. Empowering the HR strategy. At its core, 365 Talents empowers HR strategies by delivering reliable data insights, enhancing internal mobility rates, reducing reliance on external recruitment, and amplifying the overall impact of HR initiatives. 365 Talents is also for HR to support top management with relevant strategic and analytical tools. 365 Talents helps you plan ahead for the organization.